This old guy DIY video has to do with troubleshooting leakage at the fitting. So I'm getting things ready for duck hunting, and when I came out here and hooked up the line, when I squeezed the primer bulb, you can see the fuel running out. So I started the motor, it started up just fine, but if I don't keep squeezing the primer bulb, the thing just dies out. So my first thought is, it's been a number of years since I replaced this fitting, and I have another fitting here. When I looked in, you can see the kind of tan colored O-ring on this one. And when I look into this fitting, I do not see that. So I think over the years, that O-ring has just failed, and I'll replace the fitting and see if that takes the leakage problem away. Here is the motor side of the fitting. I just took a screwdriver and kind of scraped the residual dirt and paint and whatever off of there. But it seems that the actual seal is the O-ring that comes right around the outside diameter of this shaft. So now I'll put the new fitting on. When initially looking at this fitting, I thought the sealing surface was right here, but that's not the case. The sealing surface is on the inside diameter there by the ball, where the O-ring actually squeezes tight against the outside diameter of that brass fitting that comes off the motor. So when I initially had a leakage issue, I was going to take a little piece of cork and make a washer and put it on there. I thought, hey, it's a 40-year-old motor. Maybe that face is just corroded or pitted or whatever. But my thought was wrong. The face here really doesn't matter. It's all about that O-ring grabbing the outside diameter of that brass shaft that comes off of the motor itself. I have the new fitting in place and I'm squeezing the bulb and there is no leakage. This is the part that I use for the replacement. See, there's the part number. It's a 3/8 inch barb. Now we'll fire this thing up and we should be good to go. So it's happy. The bulb is nice and firm. Looks like that was a $6 answer to this little problem. It took about 3 minutes. Thank you for watching.